Hi guys, a major announcement for all the CA Foundation students who could not make it in September 24 exams. This is free CA Foundation classes and test for Jan 25 exams for the last 45 to 60 days for you. Ever since COVID started, if you knew me on YouTube or anywhere else, right from 2020 till 2024, every attempt of foundation, somehow in the schedule that I have, I've managed to provide something free for CA foundation students in accounts or law. I'm sure if you've been following for a while, you'll know. So Jan 25 also I wanted to give out something free for you guys. But before I explain what it is, let me give you a small quote to understand that you need to understand that foundation. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of success. I hope that makes clarity for you. Failure is part of success. Keep going. You're closer than you think you are. But sometimes, when what you did not work, you need to try something different. Let's say you cooked biryani and it did not come out well, you can't cook it again the same way, right? You need to change how you prepared, you need to change how you did the recipe. And that's why we're going to talk about these classes. Sir, what, sir? You're saying free classes and you're writing here paid classes. I'm going to give you all details, and trust me, the free resource itself is going to be voluminous. Along with that comes paid for those who want paid classes. Okay. Now, what is going to come in free classes? Free test MCQ maths and economics for all of you will be given. How do you access that? You just have to go to dhiratest.com, and in dhiratest.com you just have to go to free MCQ CA Foundation, and here you can see economics and maths 100 mark test. Sir, only one test is there, sir. We saw this before itself. In the next 45 days, I will give you guarantee at least there will be 3 to 4 tests more in maths and economics over here. And this MCQ is so good that it will give you an analysis of how much time you spent per question. Okay, this is number one. Before I get into the free class, especially I'm giving classes that I can give you law and economics, I need to talk about the paid class, because in the paid class only you will know what part is free. Okay, so let me go to the paid class details first. From this bigger set, a smaller subset is going to be free for you. What is the paid class? Only just for awareness purpose, guys. And in fact, the paid class you don't have to pay now. There is going to be, of course, free demo. I'll tell you what is paid over here. Firstly, the batch is going to start from 15th of November. It's going to start 10 to 5, and the fees is only 7,500. Sir, what, sir? You are saying free and saying paid. The faculties for this entire batch, accounts, will be Anish sir and Rahul sir. For law, it's going to be myself. For maths, it's going to be Nitya ma'am. And for economics, it's going to be Niveda. Everybody are CAs. Okay, all are chartered accountants. Even your maths faculty is a CA, guys. Okay, now these are your faculties. Sir, what is going to be part of the class? All four subjects which I showed you right now, you will get full concept revision plus question answers. We call that as a workout batch. What is workout batch? We will do questions. In law, I will do 100 questions in the class. In economics, ma'am will do a lot of MCQs in the class itself. That workout batch only I will give you later. I will come to that. Test series are included for the 7,500. Mock test is included towards the end. Class will happen offline, in person, and online live for those who can't come to Chennai. And materials, hard copy will also be provided. This is the paid batch. I will tell you what is free in this. Okay. Where is the class going to happen? It is going to happen in Pragya CA classes, Royapeta, Chennai. Sir, the poster is having A&M classes. Both are the same for foundation. A&M classes, Pragya classes have joined together to provide the best for you in CA foundation. Now, the schedule is going to be like this. From November 15 to December 31st, the class is going to start. The first 20 days approximately, we will have maths and accounts. Maths by Nitya ma'am, accounts by Rahul sir. December 8 to 18th, myself and Niveda ma'am will take economics and law. Again, after December 18th, from around December 20th till the month ending 10 days, Anish sir will take accounts for you offline, and test will happen during that period or Jan first week. Okay, this is the schedule. Now, sir, if I want to join for the paid class, this is the number you have to contact, who is Hari sir. Sir, no, sir, I am here only for the free class. You have done a clickbait, sir. You have cheated me. No, I have not cheated anybody. The free class, you have to join this WhatsApp group link. Why should I join one more unnecessary WhatsApp group? You can join if you need these free resources. Sir, what is the free resources? I told in the paid class there is going to be law class for almost 7 to 8 days for CA Foundation. In that, I will do two things: concepts revision, plus I will do question answers for all topics. In that question answers, it's just the question answers. No, it's question answers along with presentation. We will do presentation in the class, where 100 plus question answers of past exam I will solve in the class. This workout batch for CA Foundation, the recording of it, once the batch is completed around December 15th, the recording I will give it freely on YouTube for all of you. But when it will come, updates on that if you join the WhatsApp group, you will get easy information. Okay. For economics, what is free, sir? 40 to 50 hours of full micro and macro content which Niveda ma'am is teaching in the class will be given for free. This is not marathon. This is not regular also. It is somewhere in between, where we call it as exam oriented batch. Okay. Whatever you are paying for offline, believe me guys, that 7,500, honestly, if you know little bit of maths, it is not going to be a great income for anybody. The offline class, the rent, the online live internet, the materials, the test series, the faculty remuneration. Faculties are not taking any major remuneration. That little bit travel expense itself will cover if you just do the maths. And hardly the classroom has space for about 75 students. So this is mainly, again, like I always said, offline class. For foundation, we always give it for free. But why there is a nominal charge is because every time we give fully for free, students will just jump and come in, and they will not get the best value of it. So this is about the free classes, and along with other details that I have given to you. Again, I will end by saying the same quote. Remember guys, whichever mode of preparation that you are doing, remember in life, not just in your foundation exam, failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is a part of success. Keep going. You're closer than you think. All the very best.